This is the view from the second bedroom at the grand suite. We saw this is Dubai Mall address Dubai Mall. This is the address downtown. Just opposite the fountains. As we know, if we see from here, you see the Burj. That's the corner of the Burj. This is this one, and that's the entrance to the Dubai Mall. This one, this enters the Dubai Mall from here, and it's connected to the hotel directly. There's no view of the fountains, by the way. From this, you can only see this, but no direct fountain views. And we just saw how we saw this one from the living room as well. These three buildings. And here it connects with the smaller balcony, the second one. This is a smaller one. Beautiful panoramic views, as you can see. Now there looks to be a swimming pool which seems to be under construction, but there's another one out there as well on the third floor of the hotel. And this is where it leads to the second attached bathroom of this master bedroom.